This is my 2015 Chevy Silverado. As you can see, I got a light bar behind it. This is how the truck came. I am fully redoing this truck. I will put another 32-inch Love Country light bar back there. I am going with some new headlights. I already ordered them. I got to just install them. It does have 22 by 12 Fuel Mavericks on it. I plan on going higher with the lift and the big with the wheels. So this is just how the truck came when I bought it. It came with an off-road. See, I just bought it. It came with an off-road rear bumper. It came on 325, so it's like they're like 35s, like between 33 to 35s. I did install the amp, electric running boards. As you can see, leather seats. I did install some WeatherTech floor mats, so you can see that a little dirty, but I've been having this. I've had this truck for, I'm gonna say about 2 weeks by now. 2 weeks. I do plan on putting 4/8s. I do plan on going with the system to put in here. New window tint. Everything's gonna be new and revamped in here. I don't know what kind of lift kit that he put on here, but I am going with a different type of lift kit. Let's see. I guess he got his name customized in the panel with a custom lift kit. Stay tuned for more videos. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video. What y'all think I should do to the truck? I am going to put some star lights, the race setting. I got a lot in tune for this truck, man. Y'all just stay tuned, man. Be with me, man, through this journey. This is my first video. Like, comment, subscribe on every video, and I will be giving you great content. I'm out. Fastlane Woody. Follow me on Instagram at fastlane_Woody. Again at fastlane_Woody. If you want to get to know me a little bit more, other than this, it's my social media. This is my 2015 Chevy Silverado 5.7.